Okay, so it's about 11 o'clock, 11:20. Sorry, it's 11:30 at night on Sunday, and it is howling outside. We are inside the foyer of our apartment building. And let me just wipe the lens here. Can't really see the trees, but everything's blowing. We're a little flooded right now. You can see that's all water right there. And we're about to head out into the parking garage, see what the wind's doing. And it's doing. Now it's going to be a little foggy because I have the ISO set up pretty high because it's low light here. There's only a few lights that are working. It's definitely really windy out. I'm looking at maybe 60-mile-an-hour gusts. It is nasty. I'm gonna try to get in the street. I don't know that you'll see anything, but I'm gonna try it. Here we go. I don't know what you can see, but the power lines are definitely going a little crazy up there. There's a lot of wind, a lot of rain. It actually hurts on my back. And you can actually see can you see the trails of wind going in the garage by the dog? He's scared. And it's nasty out here. But majority of the winds are supposed to come tonight, later on in the morning, about 2 in the morning. The house is shaking a little bit already, but this isn't anything worse than what we've been through before. We're gonna be all right, but it is just nuts out there. You can see the power lines are just swaying in the wind. It's crazy. I'm gonna get back inside where it's safe. Be good. I'll see you next update.